Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today I'll show you how to make very tasty and very easy to make egg fried rice. This is one of those dishes that are very comforting and very easy to make. Before we get into today's video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. To make the egg fried rice, here I have placed a curry pan on medium flame. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil to it. After the oil gets a little hot, crack in 3 eggs to the pan. It is always a good idea to crack the eggs separately into a bowl and then add them into the pan. It will save your dish in case you get any spoiled eggs. I'm slightly breaking the yolks now. Add in half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt. You can adjust them as per your taste. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of spring onion greens. Gently fold and scramble the eggs. Reduce the flame to the lowest at this point. By doing so, you can cook the eggs easily without actually burning or scorching them. If you want larger chunks of eggs in your fried rice, do not break the eggs too much. Now simply transfer them into a plate. Keep them aside. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil to the same pan. If you want to change the pan, that is up to you. Here I have added 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of spring onion whites that are chopped as well. Saute these for a minute. The flame should be on the highest at this point. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped carrot, 2 tablespoons of chopped capsicum or chopped beans. Saute the veggies on high flame for not more than 2 minutes. We are trying to keep the veggies crunchy and we should not cook the veggies completely. If you want, you can totally skip the veggies and make the fried rice only with spring onions and eggs. Okay, now is the time to add in our cooked rice. I have simply cooked 1 cup of rice in 2 cups of water. If you want to use basmati rice to make this egg fried rice, soak the basmati rice half an hour beforehand and then cook it and use it in the egg fried rice. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. I have used dark soya sauce. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt over the rice. Add in half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Again, you can adjust the spices as per your taste. Give this a good mix. The flame is on medium at this point. If you can handle it, you can keep the flame on highest and be very quick in mixing the ingredients. Now is the time to add in our scrambled eggs. Again, mix everything well. You can use pre-cooked rice or a day-old rice to make this egg fried rice, or use freshly cooked rice as well. That is totally up to you. Finally, add in chopped spring onion greens. Give this a rough mix. Our tasty egg fried rice is ready to be served now. If you want to make something hot and spicy for the monsoons with some leftover rice for the evenings, this is the dish that you should go for. Without any doubt, this is a kid's favorite for sure. Finish off with some spring onion greens. The more you like them, the more you add them, right? Do try this tasty and easy recipe at home and let me know how it goes for you in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye!